Jai Srimanarayana. Aranyakanda. Here in our ashramam, there are so many deers, bears and monkeys and all other animals. They are all wandering around our ashramam. Oh Rama, but I have not seen any this kind of beautiful glittering deer anywhere in this world, and not at all before and also at this moment around our ashramam. Oh Rama, I have never seen this kind of deer before. Aho Rupam, what a beauty this deer has. Aho Lakshmi, what amount of richness this deer has. Aho Swara Sampacha Sobhana. Oh Rama, what a wonderful, graceful sound it is giving. Oh Rama, this deer, Hrudayam Harativa me, captivating my heart. If you bring this deer alive, we will enjoy with this deer as long as we are here, and then we can take this deer to our Ayodhya after we finish our Aranyavasam here. We can even surprise our Bharata and my in-laws with this deer, and they will be really amazed to see this deer. Oh Rama, please go and get this deer, and if you cannot capture this deer alive, Ajinam Ruchiram me Bhavishyati, at least bring its skin. We can have that beautiful skin. Like that, Sitamma forcing Ramachandra Swami to go and get this deer, and she is expressing all her joy about this deer. Sitamma saying to Ramachandra Swami that, oh Rama, if you cannot capture the deer alive, at least bring its skin. We can spread that skin on the grass here in the forest and sit and enjoy. Oh Rama, I know, idam raudram, my request, my strong request, my repeated request, and this kind of severe request may be sounding terrible to you. But what can I do, Rama? The beauty of this animal's skin is attracting me so much. Tena kanchana rupena, the golden color of this animal resembling the rising sun. Mani pravarasrungina, the horns of this animal is shining like Milky Way. Oh Rama, all these qualities of deer is attracting me so much. Like this Sitamma saying, and also all these qualities babhuva raghavasyapi mano vismayamagatam. These wonderful qualities of the deer making Rama's mind also wonderstruck. Rama is also just started staring at that deer, and he is also getting amazed to see that. Then Rama, after hearing Sita's request, and then after seeing that wonderful deer again and again, Rama also got tempted. Then he is saying that Uvacha Raghavo Hrushto Bhrataram Lakshmanam Vachaha. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीता रामा, हे हे सीता रामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.